Welcome to Cypress Village, nestled in the city of Pearland, a popular and highly sought-after location for many homebuyers and families. Cypress Village is conveniently located only 19 miles from downtown Houston. Although the city is consistently ranked as one of the fastest growing in Texas, the area maintains its suburban feel while still providing residents with access to preferred attractions of the greater Houston area. Major roadways such as Texas 288, Beltway 8, and I-610 provide the convenience to visit nearby attractions such as the Pearland Town Center, Houston Med Center, and the Houston Zoo. Cypress Village residents will also have community amenities such as the Cypress Village Neighborhood Park and Mary's Creek Trail. School-aged children residing in Cypress Village attend Pearland ISD schools, a distinguished district excelling in student achievement and progress. Floor plans are carefully selected to appeal to changes in lifestyle, desires, trends, and amenities that home buyers look for. Anglia Homes is committed to creating the home where memories will begin. Today, we're here at Anglia Homes. Anglia Homes is a Houston-based, owned and operated company that understands the importance of purchasing a new home. With over 30 communities all over the greater Houston area, you have tons of options available to you. Their message is simple: look for yourself and come home to value. And call the Seth brothers today, because this could be your next builder.